Welcome to the video tutorial of GreenCloud VPS. Today, we will show you how to set up and run a cron job in cPanel. First, log into your cPanel and scroll down to the Advanced section. Then, click Cron Jobs. Next, enter the email address you want the cron job results sent to after it runs, and click Update Email. Next, specify the time interval you want the cron job to run by selecting from the Common Settings drop-down menu or entering custom settings in the fields. Choosing a common setting automatically completes all fields but the command field. Next, in the command field, enter the command of the script you want to run, including the path from the root. Click Add New Cron Job. After that, the cron job is set and displayed at the bottom of the screen in the current cron jobs section.